Okay, hi, good evening, guys. Welcome to Cubicle's 5D Beam introduction session. I hope you guys are eager to learn this technology. My name is Tirunavitharama. I am the country manager of Cubicle's 5D Beam software, UAE, and I hope you all can hear me properly. Yes, okay, thank you very much, guys. I think this will be a great session for you. I will only take 1 hour of your valuable time. Okay, so in this 1 hour, you will learn many things. Okay, if you have any question, please feel free to ask me anytime. I think this content will change your game forever. Pretty sure about that. Okay, okay, let's start. I will start today's session with the magic. You can see this is Cubicost 5D Beam software. Now, please note your time. It is 8:08 p.m. in UAE time. I will quickly go to new and I will select the measurement rule. I will go with NRM2 and click OK. Then I will start the new project. Okay, this is very simple. Okay, still 8:08. Please note your time. Now I'll quickly go to beam model and I will quickly go to import Revit file. Click on this fold icon, then open. This is the modern day quantity survey. Observe and learn. If you have any question, please feel free to ask. Then we'll click on the reference flow. Then I will import all the Revit files to this amazing software. Slowly and solidly move to Revit from AutoCAD. Recently, I have done a demonstration for Mirage consultants. Okay, they are the cost consultant for AMA. They have purchased two Cubicost 5D Beam software from us. Now they are implementing 5D Beam in their company. This is your Revit model. You can see the time 8:09, only 1 minute gone. Okay, I'll go to quantity calculate and you can see model check. So this is the amazement of this amazing technology. Sometimes Revit modelers do mistakes. They will do partial overlaps. Partial overlap means they are overlapping element over element like this. This is a partial overlap. And sometimes they will do whole overlap. Whole overlap. Entire element on top of another element. Okay. Now you have got a very good understanding about these partial overlaps and whole overlap. Have you ever heard about a concept called clash detection? So this software is intelligent enough to detect all the clashes. As you can see, this is our top wall, this is our bottom wall. If I click here, you can see overlap. This wall is overlapping with this wall. Okay, so these are modeling errors done by architects. The software is intelligent enough to identify those errors and correct those errors automatically. Now time is 8:11. 3 minutes has gone. Okay, what is this whole overlap? Okay, this slab entirely overlapping with another slab. We can auto process this as well. Then I'll click on all flows and click OK. Within few seconds, you can quantify total building according to the measurement rule. I will go to view quantity by category. Now you can see all the quantities. For column, for wall opening, beam, in situ slab, slab opening, straight flight, room, wall finishes. You can see all the quantities in the sheet, and you can export these quantities to an Excel sheet from a one click. This is the modern day magic. I have extracted all the quantities within 5 minutes. Within 5 minutes, according to the measurement rule. We are quantity surveyors. If we don't adapt to these new technologies, there will be no future for us because industry is slowly and solidly moving to building information modeling. Architects have Revit. The structural engineers have separate BIM software. Planners have Excel Manager SynchroPro. What we are quantity surveyors. This is the one and only building information modeling software exclusively produced for quantity surveyors. As quantity surveyors, we have to learn and we have to adapt. I think you guys enjoyed that magic. Okay, so we are quantity surveyors. A guy doing a demonstration and he's saying, okay, you have a 3D model, you can import like this. Within 1 second, you can extract all the quantities. Can we trust him? Definitely not. We can't trust. We are quantity surveyors. We are the responsible people for cost of the building. How we can trust? One guy come and he extract, he import a Revit model, then extract all the quantities, and he's saying, okay, now you guys have to trust me. All these quantities are accurate. We can't trust like that. Okay, I will show you how to verify our quantities one by one. Okay, this is the most important part for us. We are quantity surveys. We have to have quantity verification. How to verify these quantities? Otherwise, how we can trust these quantities? We can't trust quantities. Okay, now look at carefully. Okay, so this is my building. Okay, I have walls, columns, beams. Okay, how we can verify these quantities? I will tell you one method. Okay, so now this is a wall. I can click on this wall. Now I can click on revisely check with model. I can revisely check my quantities with my model. Okay, if I click here, software will show you the location. Okay, so this is a one way to verify our quantities. But is this enough? No, this is not enough. We need more proof. Okay, we'll show you another method. If I click on this particular wall and click on this view expression, I can get a comprehensive quantity breakdown like this. This is the length, this is the wall height, and this is the thickness. Okay, so length multiplied with height multiplied with thickness. Okay, this is how this quantity has generated. So you can have a complete quantity breakdown of this particular element. Is this enough? You can have formwork as well. Is this enough? This is not enough. So we have to have further verification. Okay, so you can see this is the original quantity and you can have all the deductions like this. Okay, and you can have area of formwork like this. Okay, so you can have a 3D view of your quantities. 20, 30 years back, we used 2D physical drawings. We extracted quantities from a physical drawing. We use physical scales. It took long time for us to quantify a building. Then AutoCAD plus Excel came. We created polylines. Then we recorded all the quantities in Excel and we prepared estimation reports. Now this is the BIM era. You have to adapt to this technology, otherwise there will be no future for you. Not only this, but also we can generate various reports from this. I will go to report and I will click on OK. Then software will generate reports for me. This is modern day magic. You can see as quantity surveyors, we started our career by preparing TDS sheets. We are more familiar with length, width, and height than we extract our volume. Okay. And how to verify our quantities? We need the grid reference, and you can have grid reference as well. This report has generated within 1 second. Keep it in your mind, and you can export it to Excel within one click. This is the most advanced quantity surveying software in this world. This is the most advanced quantity surveying software. If you know advanced software than this, you can tell me. Okay, this is the most advanced technology. As quantity surveyors, we have to adapt. You can generate a quantity report within 1 second. You can send this to your consultant. They can verify that quantity from this grid reference, and you can have length, width, and height, and you can have all the deductions too. So this is modern day magic. After doing this, you can prepare the BOQ. You can click on TBQ and you can get the BOQ here. Okay, so I will explain all the things in the course. Okay, so you can maintain BQ library. If you have civil BQ, if you have uh, architectural BOQ, if you have MEP BOQ, you can store all those BOQs and you can create the BOQ library. After that, you can create your BOQ very easily. Okay, so this is your BOQ. Okay, so you can just click on view quantity by category and you can link your quantity very easily. Okay, so for example, I will link this quantity. This is a wall, view quantity by category. I will link this quantity. Okay, then whenever you change your quantity, your BOQ will automatically update it. Okay, so this is modern day magic. Okay, so you have to adapt to this. Okay, otherwise it will be too late for you. Now I will explain about myself. Okay, then you can have a very good understanding about me and what is I'm doing. Okay, then you can make a decision to follow this course. Okay, I want to change your life through building information modeling because I know this is the future because I have been working as a technical manager for Archicad company in Sri Lanka. It is the oldest building information modeling software in the world. Okay, they have done a lot of research and development according to their predictions. Okay, within 5 to 10 years, industry will be fully adapted to building information modeling. Okay, I know that. Okay, that is why I'm influencing quantity surveyors to adapt to building information modeling. Let me introduce myself properly. As I mentioned earlier, my name is Tirina Vitharama, and I will explain about myself. This is my technical representative certificate, and I have done lot of CPD sessions. This is one CPD session I have done for IIESL UAE, Engineers Association UAE, regarding building information modeling. And this is one CPD session I have done for SLQS Oman, and this is CPD session for Cyber QS Sri Lanka. And this is the first ever BIM conference for quantity surveyors. BIM competition. Okay, more than 70 people joined for this competition, and one student from University of Morocco won this uh, competition. And this is CPD session done for Institute of Quantity Surveyors Sri Lanka, and this is CPD session done for Cyber QA Sri Lanka again. And I am the PPR of IQSSL Toastmasters Club, and I have won a few competitions for the club. And you can see this is one of uh, one milestone in my career. I was lucky enough to conduct a training session for lecturers of University of Morocco. Okay, this is one milestone of my career. Current quantity surveyor Suranga Jayasena sir uh, conducted that uh, event. Okay, this is physical training for VICM consultant, physical training for IJVR, Sunken Overseas. Then this is construction so cost management services. I have trained almost all the leading consultancy firms in Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka, ICC, QSER, CLEC, Moonstone, VForm Value Management Services. And this is my Cubicos 5D BIM online training. And I have done some physical training regarding Cubicos. And after I become the country manager of Cubicos Software UAE, I have visited a lot of companies, and you can see Mr. Vaturo. He's the vice president of Glodon International. He's the former president of Panasonic, and these are some company visit China State UAE, and this is Glades, and you can see Mr. Jonathan Robinson. I have visited BAAP, the biggest client of UAE Dubai Engineering Airport projects, and uh, this is one training I have done for Believe UAE, and uh, my other course is a QA Software All-in-One program. I trained more than 2,000 quantity servers with QA Software All-in-One, and this is final year BIM module for KDU students, and this is my Revit and Navisworks course. I have conducted a competition among the students, and I have given them valuable gifts. So this is about me. Okay, now I will tell you why you have to learn this. Okay, why you have to learn this. After I become country manager of Cubicos 5D software, UAE, I have demonstrated this software to several companies, several big clients. So this is Dubai Properties. I have done a demonstration session, and this is Gleeds. Recently, last week, I have done physical training for them. Okay, you can see their stuff. And this is Land Sterling. They have already purchased our software, and they have completed a lot of projects by using this software. Tomorrow also I will visit Land Sterling. Land Sterling is one of the best property developer in UAE, and this is China State. They have been using this software since very long, more than 20 years. And this is some uh, Dubai projects you can see done by China Railway. Okay, so you can see this is the actual building, and this is the cubicos model. Okay, one of my student, Esha Nakalanka, created these models. Okay, I have brought 4 quantity surveys from Sri Lanka to UAE. The work as 5D in quantity surveys. Now they are working. Okay, so if if you are intelligent enough, if you are capable enough, okay, um, I need more quantity surveys in UAE. Okay, so I know lot of quantity surveyors coming UAE from visit visa. Okay, and they struggle to find jobs. Some struggle for 6 months. Okay, but I directly brought 4 quantity surveyors from Sri Lanka. Okay, no visit visa. Interviewed from Sri Lanka via Zoom. Okay, now they are working as quantity surveys, finding income quantity surveys in big companies like this. Okay, and 4 other quantity surveys yet to come. Uh, I think yesterday Lance Sterling interviewed them. I need more capable quantity surveys for UAE. You can see these are complex buildings. Okay, you can create 3D models of these complex buildings and extract all the quantities very easily. Okay, so It doesn't matter if you have 2D drawing, you can create a 3D model on top of it by using the software. I will explain one by one. Okay, stay in the meeting and concentrate. I will only take 1 hour of your valuable time. Okay, now you have a very good understanding about this software. Now I will tell you a little bit about Glodon company. Okay, and I will tell you about the value of Glodon certificate. Okay, this is Glodon company. Okay, I'm the technical manager of this company. I think you can see my screen. Okay, first I will explain you about physical building and digital building. Okay, what is physical building? What is digital building? In physical building, okay, we do all the things in physical. We do designing in physical scenario. Couple of architects, structural engineers get together and discuss, and they will create a design in physical scenario. Then after that, they will start the construction in physical scenario. Then after that, they will do the operation of construction. So that is physical building. So what is digital building? Digital building is little bit different to this physical building. So we can do the designing part in virtual scenario. Architects can get together in the cloud-based platform and create the 3D model by using software like Revit. Okay, then they can make decisions collaboratively in the virtual scenario. After that, they can do virtual pre-construction. What is the best example? It is e-tendering. So you can do pre uh, virtual pre-construction. Then after that, you can create the 3D model and simulate that model. You can connect your model with your construction program, and then you can simulate that project. Okay, by using softwares like Navisworks, Pixel Manager, or Synco Pro. Okay, so this is your virtual building. So you can make important decisions with regard to physical buildings by using this digital replica, this virtual building. So as quantity surveyors, as futuristic quantity surveyors, we must adapt to this technology. Otherwise, it will be too late for us. So, Glodon Company is fourth largest AEC software provider in the world, and we have 360,000 enterprise customers. We served more than 6 million projects all over the world, and we have more than 10 million end users. This is one of the biggest company in China. And we have 7 research and development centers. We have 5 innovation centers. Uh, we have innovation centers in uh, Shanghai, USA, Finland, Taiwan. So we have a lot of innovation centers. And we have a lot of key technologies. You can see industry AI. Okay, so we have developed a lot of AI technologies, and we have some big data resources, and we use IoT technologies, Internet of Things, and we have a lot of building information modeling software and construction information modeling softwares. Okay, so this is one of the biggest tech company in China, and we have more than 100 products. You can see in this picture, Cubicos, TAS, TRB, TME, and TBQ is 4 of them. And you can see Glodon product can be used during whole life cycle of a construction project, planning, designing, tendering, construction, and operation. And you can see our overall market share is more than 3.8 billion US dollars. So this is one of the biggest company in China. And let me give a small insight about building information modeling. There are 7 dimensions of building information modeling: 3D, 4D, 5D, 6D, 7D, 8D, 9D. Like that, they have there are dimensions of building information modeling. 3DB means 3D model plus information. 4DB means 3D model plus time. Okay, so if I tell you a practical example, you can create a 3D model by using Revit software, and you can create the construction program by using MX Project or Primavera, and you can merge your 3D model with your construction program. Then you can simulate your 3D model. Okay, timeline going down. Okay, then according to the timeline, your 3D model will generate gradually. Okay, then 5D beam. The best example for 5D beam is Cubicast 5D beam software. 3D model plus cost is 5D beam. What is 6D beam? 3D model plus sustainability is 6D beam. 7D beam is 3D model plus operation of construction or asset management. Okay, so you have to have very good understanding about the dimensions of BIM. Okay, after learning this course, you can get the start for your building information modeling career. I want you to become BIM manager or BIM implementer in future. Okay, that is uh, uh, a prestigious career for you. Okay. After this program, you can become a 5D BIM quantity surveyor. Okay. It will be added value to your profession. Okay. Your marketability will be higher comparing to uh, traditional quantity surveying. Okay. So, what are the benefits of 5D BIM technology? It is one focus integrated digital solution. This is integrated digital solution. Okay, so you can work together in a common platform. That is one quality in building information modeling. We will learn each and every theory of building information modeling in this course. Seamless team collaboration. You can collaborate with each other and uh, work together. Common data center management. You can manage your data in one place using cloud technology. Embedded measurement tool for accurate quantification. The software is embedded with the measurement tool. Okay, it is very important. I will demonstrate to you about that. Then is smart reporting. Okay, as I mentioned earlier, you can do smart reporting by using this amazing software. This Cubicles package comprises of four individual softwares: TAS, TRB, TBQ, and TME. TAS for structural and architectural measurement, TRB for reinforcement measurement, TBQ for BOQ preparation, and TME for MEP measurement. And as I mentioned earlier, you can use this software throughout the whole life cycle of a building project. Traditional method, it is very old and inefficient. Time taking, it's like a old mobile phone. Then 2D measurement came. AutoCAD plus Excel is still inefficient. We have plans with Costec, Bluebeam, and Candy. All of them are 2D measurement software. It's like an old mobile phone, useless. Now we have Revit plus Cubicos. So this is the building information modeling. Yeah, this is the modern method. You have to adapt to this technology, and otherwise it will be too late for you. We can use TS, TRB, and TME software for quantification, and you can allow TBQ software to do your cost estimation. After that, you can proceed with e-tendering. You have IFC drawing or Revit drawing. If you have IFC or Revit, you can directly import those models into Cubicle software, and you can extract all the quantities within 5 minutes. Then if you have a scan PDF, you can develop a 3D model on top of that, and you can extract all the quantities very quickly. If you have DWG drawing or PDF drawing, you can use auto identification function. Okay, if you have AutoCAD drawing, you can use auto identification function and create a 3D model on top of that and generate all the quantity reports. This is amazing, isn't it? Okay, process step: import, calculate, model check, then report generation. So this is our key because TIU option. Okay, within 4 steps, you can generate quantity report for a 3D model. You can see this is Cubicle solution from site. Okay, so this is the efficiency of Cubicle's software. Okay, if you take a project, okay, but if you use the traditional method, okay, it will take 49 days to complete that project. The same project can be completed by using Cubicle software within 12.5 days. Okay, so these data according to our research and development team, and You can see beam quantity takeoff, beam quantity management, data traceability, better data storage, no paper required, linked information, avoid inconsistency and omissions. Okay, so these are the benefits of beam quantity takeoff, and you can see some benefits of TBQ and e-tendering as well. So these are some big clients of ours, and these are some big projects completed by using this Cubicos 5D BIM software. You can see Glodon Vietnam, and you can see this is a big project in Singapore. Okay, this project completed by using this Cubicos 5D BIM software, and they have extracted all the quantities. Okay, this is another project, and this is another project. These projects are multi-billion projects. Okay, complex designs. You can complete all those designs by using this Cubicos 5D BIM software. Okay, so this is the next level software, and we have memorandum of understanding with several entities over the world. So we have memorandum of understanding with RICS. Okay, so this is RICS accredited software. After learning this, you will receive a valuable certificate. Okay, these are some clients from the UAE, okay, and Middle East, you can see. And after completing this training, you will receive a valuable certificate. Okay, these are top 5 reasons to change to 5D BIM. Okay, international integrated 5D BIM suite with unique technologies. So this is the latest technology available in the world. Improve working efficiency, reduce errors. So you can see the 3D view of your quantities instantly. Okay, no need to visualize your 3D quantity by measuring 2D quantities. Okay, so you can have instant 3D quantities, and with high tech capacity and reputation, increase your chance to win tenders. Okay, if your company use this software, it will be very important to win tenders because the accuracy of quantities is perfect. To be professional internal collaboration and management platform. Okay, so this will be a collaboration and management platform for you. Okay, easy to communicate with the world largest BIM QS customer base. So we have 10 million end users. So we have the largest BIM QS customer base. If you have any query, you can ask any of them. And this is very important. We will give you 3 certificates after completion of this course: 140 years, 140 RD, 140 ME. So these are internationally recognized BIM professional qualifications. You can use those certificates uh, anywhere in the world. Okay, all those certificates will come with the signature of Mr. Waturo Matsumuso, our Senior Vice President, and the validities of those certificates are uh, popular all over the world. Okay, so you can see our services. Okay, this is how you learn this key because 5D software. First, you have to learn, then after that, you have to train, then you have to implement this software for a practical project. Okay, now I think you have got a very good understanding about the background of Glodon Company and our work. Then I will further demonstrate about Ubicos TA software. You will love this. Okay, if you have any question, please feel free to ask. Stay alert and stay with me. I will demonstrate everything with regards to this Ubicos 5D software. You will not regret of this valuable time. Okay, with me. Now I will explain to you about the 2D quantification. Okay, if you have AutoCAD drawing, okay, you can easily extract all the quantities from that AutoCAD drawing. I will show you one by one. Okay, so this is modern day magic. So, as I mentioned earlier, the software is embedded with the measurement rule. Okay, so and software is embedded with the measurement rule. Okay, so all the quantities come according to the measurement rule. It is very important for us. Okay, so I will open the software again, then I will demonstrate to you about the functionality of this software. Okay, so This is one of the best quantity serving software in the world. You can measure AutoCAD drawing, even you can measure scan PDF. No worries. Okay. And you can have interoperable model generation, you can have clash detection. Okay, so once you create your structural 3D model, you can import it to DME software and you can detect the clashes between structural elements and MEP elements. Okay, so this is the latest technology available in the world. Okay, so you can enhance the benefit of this technology. Okay, so you will be lucky enough to learn software under me. Okay, I will give you the best service. Okay, after uh, teaching the software, okay, uh, I will select people from my new batch. Okay, then I will recommend them to UA companies. Okay, whenever they need me because capable quantity surveys I can recommend from my batch. Okay, now within I have appointed as a country manager in March. Okay, now within 4 months, okay, I have brought four quantity surveys to UAE. Okay, it will increase to eight. Okay, in month of July. You have to select the measurement rule like this. Then you can click OK. All the quantities will come according to the measurement rule. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, please give me a moment. One error coming. I'll look into that error and come back. Okay, now I have realized the error. Okay, so you have to have disk space. Okay, if you want to open Cubicle software. Okay, yeah, I will delete some of my files and have some space. Give me a moment. Disk space is very important. Okay, okay. Now I will share my screen. Okay. Extremely sorry for the inconvenience. Okay. So you have to have this space. Okay. Now I have this space. I can start a new project. Okay. So this is 2D quantification. You have to observe very carefully. I will go to drawing manager. I will simply open a drawing. Okay. This is structural architecture file cap. So we can select drawings together and open them together. Okay. So if you use Costex, you can't have this option. Okay, then you can easily split the drawings. If you have four drawings, you can split them one by one. Okay, so I have splitted this drawing. Okay, now I have separate this drawing from other drawings. So this is the new technology you have to adopt. Okay, see, you have four drawings. You can use this split function and you can isolate this drawing like this. Okay, so this is newest technological advancement you have to adopt. So after this, I will quickly go to this axis grid line. Okay, and like this, we can have a common axis grid line. Okay, for all of our drawings. So this is very important. Okay, so you can have a common axis grid line like this. Then we can start our measurements. Okay, so this is very simple. We have to have a common axis grid line. So this is our common axis grid line. Okay, now we can start our measurements. Okay, first I will show you how to generate columns. You can click on columns. Okay, click on columns, then pick side line. Okay, you can see these are the layers. Right click, see, within 1 second I can generate all the columns. Okay, so this is modern day quantity surveying. Okay, if you have a 2D drawing, you can generate your quantities very easily with this software. Not only column, but also you can generate beams. Okay, you can go to beams, click on beams. Okay, within few clicks, you can generate all the things. Okay, right click, click label. You can have your beams. Not only beams, you can have your slabs within few clicks. Slab. See, click label, right click, identify slab, click OK. You can have all the slabs. Okay, so this is what you have to learn. This is what you have to adapt. Not only walls, beams, and columns. Okay, so you can generate architectural walls as well. I will show you how to generate architectural walls. It is very simple. You can just go to wall and click on pick masonry wall sideline. Then sideline, you have to pick doors and windows like this. Okay, to identify, you can generate all the walls. Okay, not only walls, but also you can generate all the doors and windows within 1 second. How to do it? Okay, so you have to go to doors and windows like this. Okay, this is modern day quantity surveying. Okay, no need to spend time for quantification. Quantity surveys are very busy. You have to allocate your free time to other works. You can give the permission of quantification to this software. Okay, so you can auto identify all the elements in doors and windows schedule by using this software. Okay, like this you can import all the information. Okay, then within one click you can generate all the doors and windows quantities. Okay, so this is key because this is the newest technological advancement available for quantity surveys. Within one click you can generate all the doors and windows. So you will learn this from the scratch. Okay, you can see all the doors and windows. Not only doors and windows, but also you can generate lintels as well. Okay, you can generate lintels, would you believe me? Okay, you can generate your lintels very easily by using the software. Okay, this is amazing software. Okay, I will go to lintels. Then I need to do few things. I have to give some information. Okay, sectional width I can give as 200. Then I can give offsets 200 and 200. Okay, then done. You can use this auto arrange function and you can generate all the lintels automatically. You can see all the lintels on top of doors and windows. Okay. After that, I will quickly show you about the foundation flow. Okay. So this is superstructure. And before that, I will show you about about the finishes. Okay, finishes are also very important. So you can use this software in efficient and effective manner to extract quantities for finishes. Okay, you can quickly go to finishes, click on room. Okay, finish schedule. So if you have Excel finish schedule, you can quickly extract data from that finishing schedule, and you can import all those data to this software. Horizontal waterproof. Okay, vertical waterproof, skirt in height. Okay, so this is where we are now. Okay, so we can get all the finishing details to the software, and within one click we can apply finishes. Okay, you can see this is wet kitchen. I can select wet kitchen from here. This is wet kitchen, and you can see all the finishing elements for this wet kitchen. Within one click we can apply all the finishes to this room. Okay, and you can see utility. You can click on utility. Within one click you can apply all the finishes for this utility area. What about this dry kitchen? Okay, I can separate these two areas, and I can put finishes separately. Okay, so this is my dry kitchen area. I will click on dry kitchen and click on this area. I can only apply finishes for the selected area. Okay, so this is the modern way to take off quantities for a structural and architectural model. Okay, so this is amazing, isn't it? I will go to my foundation floor. Okay, then I will click on this file cap drawing. I will quickly relocate this drawing. This is axis grid line A and axis grid line 9. Okay, I can generate file caps. Okay, very easily. See, file cap, two clicks, pick sideline, pick label. Within few seconds, I can generate all the file caps. Not only file caps, but also we can generate column shaft. Okay, so this is the technology you have to learn and adapt. Okay, after learning this, you will become a 5D in quantity surveyor. You will have higher market demand. Okay, after becoming a 5D in quantity surveyor. Okay, you have to learn few things in order to become a 5D in quantity surveyor. After that, you can generate your column shaft like this. After generating column shaft, you can give the script. Okay, so this is unique feature of this key because software, if you use Costex software or Plansif software, you can't give offset to your existing quantities. But if you use this software, you can give offsets to your existing quantities. I will go to blinding, and within few clicks, I can generate blindings very easily. I will give 50 millimeter thickness to my blinding, and I will click on 5 cap. I will select this one right click, and I will give extension as 50. Then I will show you the 3D view of your blinding. Okay, see, this is the 3D view of the blinding. Okay, after that, I will automatically generate the excavation. You can see if you want to have your measurement in stages, you can change these settings. If you want to keep space between your site of soil and the foundation, you can keep void. Okay, I will make it as 0 and click OK. You can generate all the excavation quantities very smartly within few seconds. Okay, so I have generated lot of quantities within 5 minutes. Okay, so if you adapt to this software, you can complete big projects within shorter span of time. Okay, so this is my because TAS model. Okay, so this is what you have to adopt. Okay, otherwise it will be too late for you. Okay, so this is the key because filing software. This is what you have to adapt. I will quickly explain you about our TRB software. Okay, it is another big product of this uh, because family. Okay, I will go to the model and I will save this project. Save this model. Okay, export model by flow. And I will save this in my desktop. Okay, training one. Okay, I will show you the interoperable model generation function. Okay, so this is my TS model. You can import this model into the TRB software. It is a quality of building information model. I will quickly open my TRB software. Please be patient with me. I will complete the demonstration within 10 minutes. Okay, I will quickly explain you about the TRB software. Then I will explain you about the TME software. Then I will finish today's session. Okay, then you can decide whether to follow this course or not. Okay, I need some quality people Okay, I need some young talents in this batch. Okay, because I need to create more futures. Okay, so I will use this British standards. Okay, British standards and click on confirm, click on yes. Okay, so we can import our TAS model to this TRV software. Okay, I will explain one by one. This is modern day magic. I can go to the model, import model, then I can go to my desktop and I can find this one and click open. See, we can import the TAS model to this TRV software. This is a separate software. I have imported this model to this software. Okay, so this is the magic. I can go to column, I can see all the columns. Okay, I will show one element. Okay, I will show how to give reinforcement uh, details to a column. Okay, then you will understand the efficiency of the software. I will quickly go to this draw tab, identify tab, drawing manager, and I will quickly import a drawing to the software. Let me go to Glitch training. Where is Glitch? Yeah, Glitch training. I will go to drawings. Okay, then I will open couple of drawings. Okay, for now. And you can see these are our drawings. Okay, this is my column drawing. I will explain you about the column we are going to measure. Okay, we are going to measure the C1 column. You can see 6T16. Okay, 6 main bars, toe steel main bars, and diameter is 16. And you can see links R6 at 175. These are the syrups. Okay, now I'm going to inject this reinforcement information to our model. Okay, I'll go to the drawing and you can see our C1. Okay, this is our C1. I will double click on C1. Okay, whole main bus 6016. 6016. Okay, links R6 at 175. Okay, legs 3 by 2. Okay, 3 horizontal bars, 3 bars in horizontal way, 2 bars in vertical way, 3 by 2 legs. Okay, then after that you can see a small hook here. After doing this, okay, I can see if there are whether there are similar columns to this. Okay, we can have C3, C4, C6. Okay, C3, C4, C6. Okay, I'm going to remember this. Okay, C3, C4, C6. Okay, these are similar columns. Okay, now I will go to my initial drawing. Okay, I will go to my initial drawing, then I will inject reinforcement information for this one. Okay, okay, so this is my column. Okay, I will go to quantity and I will calculate this one. Okay, I can quickly calculate. Then I can see the 3D view of reinforcement arrangement. You can see, I can see the 3D view of reinforcement arrangement. And within one click, we can generate the bar schedule. This is the magic of the software. Within one click, we can generate the bar schedule from this amazing software. You can see rebar shape, cutoff length, number of bars, element, total weight. You can see in everything in the software. And we have some similar columns as I mentioned earlier. Okay, so we can sync all the information with these similar columns. Okay, no need to uh, inject reinforcement one by one. Okay, so we can click them together and we can select the similar columns C3, C4, C6. Okay, C10, C10, these are similar columns. C11, C11, then C15, C15, C17, C17. Then we have C20, C20. We have C20, 21, 23, 21, 23, and 25, 26. So you can sync all the reinforcement information like this. We can sync all the reinforcement information. This is amazing, isn't it? Okay, how to check? We can select all the columns together and we can calculate selected entities. Then again, we can select all the columns together and we can see the 3D view. Not only that, we can select all of them together and we can print the bar schedule. Okay, so we have 26 pages. Okay, not only these shapes, okay, but also you can see every detail of this reinforcement. You can have every detail automatically from this amazing software. So this is the TRB software. I hope you have got a very good understanding about TRB software. I will quickly demonstrate about EME software as well. Then we can complete today's session. I don't want to take much of your time. Okay, time is the most important thing in the world. I will quickly explain you about the DME software. Then I will finish today's session. Okay, so as quantity surveyors, okay, so we have to adapt to this technology. Otherwise, it will be too late for us. Okay, so this is our TME software, newborn baby in Glodon family. Okay, and this is a magical software. I will show you why I call this software as a magical software. Okay, we can do magics by using this software. I will quickly go to my drawing folder. Okay, quickly go to my drawing folder. Uh, Drawings, and I will go to this HVAC drawing. Okay, I will explain you HVAC functions by using this software. Okay, then I will go to ducts. Okay, so as quantity surveyors, we struggle to measure air ducts. I will teach you two methods to extract quantities of the air ducts. Okay, it's very simple. You can go to air ducts and you can select rectangular air ducts. Okay, and you have few methods to generate quantities for this air ducts. Okay, you can use this double line function. Okay, you can see one click here, one click here, one click here. You can generate the duct. Okay, and if you want to generate the duct at once, you can use this duct system identifier. One click here, one click here, one click here, one click here, right click and click OK. You can generate quantities for ducts within few seconds. Okay, then you can put all the uh, duct fittings like this. Okay, you can have all the duct fittings and you can uh, use auto identification function to calculate these air grills too. Okay, so this is very interesting auto identification function. Okay, so you can calculate air grills automatically by using this auto identification function. Pick device. Okay, you can pick this device, right click, find, or you can identify all the air grills by using this software, and you can turn off the lights and you can verify your quantities very easily. Okay, so this is the TME software. This is one of the best MEP measurement software available in the world. Okay, uh, so you have select by color option. Okay, you can hide every other layers by using this software. Okay, by using this select by color option. Okay, you can click on select by color. Okay, then you can click on this color and right click, and after that if you want to hide the selected layer you can click on hide identity. Okay, then selected layer will disappear and you can see other layers only. Okay, so you can use some tricks in order to quantify your elements very easily. Okay, so this is the most amazing uh, quantity serving software available in the world. I hope you will join and learn. Okay, so this is about the TME software. After generating all the quantities, you can use this calculate and you can have comprehensive quantity reports and you can export those quantities into Excel later on. Okay, so this is Worth to learn. I hope you all will join and learn this software. After learning this software, you will become perfect 5D beam quantity surveys. Okay, so yeah, we can measure air ducts. Okay, very easy by using this software. Okay, and air grills and other elements as well. As example, if I want to quantify this particular unit, okay, you can easily do it. Okay, you can use this select by color. Okay, you can click on this one and you can click on this label. Okay, then right click, then you can click on display identity. Okay, you can isolate this one, then you can go to equipment and you can easily auto identify this one. Okay, identify equipment, you can pick the device, right click, pick the text, right click, find all. You can have all the quantities. After having all the quantities, you can check your quantity by using this brightness feature. Okay, you can isolate all the measured quantities by using this brightness feature. Okay, so this is about TME software. I hope you love this TME software. Okay, so this is the newborn baby of Glodon family. So after adopting to 5D beam technology, you will uh, go very far in your career. Okay, so uh, if you have any question, please feel free to ask now. You can use the chat box. Can we upload BOQ as well? Yes, you can upload BOQ. How to do model check? Uh, I think I have explained. You can use revise to check with model, and you can use a wave expression. Okay, so if you have any question, please feel free to ask.
Sir,
Yes, yes,
excuse me, sir. Yeah.
yeah, yeah.
Regarding the UAE companies, most of the
Uh-huh.
companies don't use this kind of cubicles because it's
Mm-hmm.
very costly. I heard
Mm-hmm.
that news. Is that true, sir? Because the only the biggest companies are using this kind of cubicles and etc. But most of the companies, they don't have any kind of technologies for this kind of softwares and licensing.
Mm-hmm.
Is that true, sir?
Actually, because it is one of the best solution for MEP companies in Singapore. Okay, a lot of MEP companies uh, use cubicles in Singapore. I can show you a video. If I have this video, I can show you that. Okay, so now we are approaching MEP companies in UAE too. Okay, so uh, I think they will easily adapt to this technology because already some big developers purchased EME software in UAE. Okay, I think gradually MEP companies will
It's
adopt to
implementing,
the
right?
technology. Yeah, yeah, it's
Yeah.
implemented.
Okay,
Yeah.
sir. Yeah. Thanks.
Okay. Any other question? Okay. How much computer specification is required? Actually, 4 GB RAM is enough, and you have to have more than 5 GB disk space. Do we have to purchase the Cubicle software separately? No need. I will provide you uh, 3 months full version for free. Any other question? Okay. I have trained a lot of people. Okay, in Sri Lanka, International Construction Consortium using Cubicle software since very long. Okay, Sunken Overseas using Cubicles. Okay, Maga Engineering, Tudave Brothers, all other companies broke due to the financial crisis. But ICC stand tall and they have expanded their business in Saudi Arabia as well. Sunken Overseas also. like that. Okay, they have expanded their business to Maldives and other countries as well. It's because of this new technology. Okay, so that logic will apply to us as well. Okay, if we act like Maga Engineering or Tudave Brothers, okay, we will also go down. Okay, as quantity surveys, as individuals, we have to adapt to these new technologies. We have to learn this technology. Okay, so you can start your BIM career. Okay, by use by following this course. For how month you will provide license to us? 3 months. In your personal experience, which is the best software you ever used? Key because of course, because I will show. I think I have that project. Recently, I have done one project in Oman. Okay, so the big development project. Okay, uh, um, I single-handedly, okay, modeled 19 buildings within a couple of weeks. Okay, so personally, okay, I'm using Cubicle software because I'm teaching plans in Bluebeam and Costex. Okay, so I know all the functions of those software as well. Okay, but I use Cubicles for my personal works. Okay, it's very good question. Thank you very much for that. Okay, any other questions? If you have any question, please feel free to ask. Okay, it's a good opportunity for you. As per your experience, how many days uh, can it take to model 10 floor apartment? It depends. Okay, these days Land Sterling are doing a apartment project. They have already completed one project. Okay, tender project. Uh, they have given them this Revit model. Okay, so they have completed it within 3 days. Okay, these days they are working on AutoCAD model. Okay, hopefully they can complete it within 1 week. If you need experience, what solution after 3 months of period is very good question. Okay, so after 3 months, if you want to practice the software, okay, you can request from me. Okay, whenever you want, I can allocate 1 month trial license time to time. Okay, but don't use it for commercial purposes because we can detect it. Uh, then if continue after, okay, if you want to purchase the commercial license, okay, based on your country, you can apply. Will you cover whole necessary things within syllabus which needs to complete whole project? Yes, of course I do. Okay, so you can ask my from my previous students. Okay, Samuel here, he participated for the previous course. Okay, I cover each and every part.
Uh, actually, yeah, I just wanted to mention something because I'm here, like I can call it regretting. I was in the previous class, and
Yeah,
because I was in the country remotely, which was not allowing me to access the internet, so I had to beg the trainer to allow me to attend any next opportunity. So
yeah,
after the class, actually, I was exposed to like 3 projects, which I will not use any software than Cubicles. So now I'm struggling trying to see how I can learn Cubicles. And sometimes even I think of paying, I'm trying to negotiate with the teacher. But yeah, I just encourage anyone, you got a chance to have me here at the beginning. So if you like thinking maybe or not what, so this is the way to go. Let me tell you the truth. I'm not from UAE, I'm from Africa. But if you have this opportunity, this is the way to go. Thank you.
thank you very much, Samuel. So any other questions? Okay, no, uh, I don't have any experience in Revit architecture. What I'm supposed to do, sir? No need to have Revit experience. Okay, so I will teach you everything from the scratch. Do as RVME, BQ. come as packages or individually. Those are individual packages. TAS is individual package, TME is individual one, TRB is individual. Okay, so it is about building information modeling. I hope you have heard about this interoperable model generation. Okay, so you can import your TAS model into TRB software. You can import your TAS model into TME software. Okay, so you can have the interoperability. Okay, you can do the clash detections and all. Any other questions? Can you please send the link of video recording of training today? Sure, I'll do that. Liana K. Roshan. Oh, Mr. Liana K. Roshan is here. What is cost for one license? It is uh, actually Mr. Liana K. Roshan. I will send you a quotation. Okay, so we have the reseller in Oman now. Okay, Allama consultants, they act as a reseller in Oman. Okay, so I will send the quotation via them. Okay, uh, if I need to use key because personally, how much it will be, Mr. Ranjit, I will tell you it in person. Okay, uh, so yeah, okay. Actually, this is amazing. Okay, so I have personally used this software. Okay, I think if you are a Sri Lankan community survey, you know Bailey project. Bailey project is one of the biggest upcoming project in Sri Lanka. I think they have started the construction because in previous batch I trained the chief quantity survey of Sudave brothers, Kanchana Priyadarshini Akka, and she told me that they have started the construction. So me and one of my students prepared all the reinforcement quantities for that particular project. And I have done one big project in Oman. Okay, and now I'm supporting UAE companies to do their work. Actually, I'm currently I'm not doing any project. If I need to use E because personally, how much? Yeah, I will tell you in person. Okay. Uh, yes, I think I answered every questions of you. Okay, and believe me, this is more efficient than Costex, PlanSwift, or Bluebeam. Okay, and you know the construction development of China. Okay, the main reason behind the construction development of China is key because okay, I have been to China in 2019. I saw all those big buildings and structures by myself. Okay, uh, key because it is behind those big projects. Okay, you know works of China State, China Railway, and China Engineering. Okay, so they are using this key because the software seems very long. So those this is the technology behind their success. Okay, so I invite you to learn this and adapt this technology to your company. So if you have some personal consultancy companies, okay, please try to adapt this technology. Okay, once you learn this properly, once you get familiar with the software, okay, you can enhance the efficiency through the process. Okay, so yeah, that is everything I wanted to share with you. Do you have any idea which software is most usable software in Australia? Oh, very good question. Okay, T is very good software for Australia, and I will show you one thing. After I have become the technical manager in UAE, I have done some major amendments to this software. Okay, you know, in plan shift. Okay, so after measuring quantities, we can have markup drawings with legends. Okay, now after I have become the country manager, I suggest Glodon to amend the software. Now they can have this 2D markups with legends. Okay, so with that markup, this markup function, okay, other softwares can cannot even come near to the software. Okay, so after having all these markups, you can import these markups into PDF like this. Okay, and we are going to launch because light version in month of October. Okay, yeah, so we will have lot of options in near future. Please negotiate for something called key because freelancers, see if we can get discounts. Okay, I will try to do that. Okay, yeah. Now these days we are discussing about the big companies like Leeds, Dubai Properties, Alda. Okay, so if Mirage, the cost consultant for EMA. Okay, so I think my students will have a lot of opportunities in near future. Actually, that is the purpose of my life. Okay, and I have trained a lot of people with regards to Costex, Transit, and Bluebeam. Now I can see their success stories. Most of them went to Australia, New Zealand, and now they are working as Costex quantity surveyors in those countries. And UK recently, two of my students got job opportunities in Ireland. Okay, so yeah. Uh, is the certificate valid lifetime or need time to time training to renew? That's a very good question. Actually, it is valid for lifetime. Okay, it is basic certificate. Then, after completing a project more than 50,000 square meters, okay, you can have the intermediate certificate. Okay, like that, you have levels. Thank you very much for that question. Sir, to be honest, for a beginner learning because important learning concept. For a beginner, uh, actually, I have it's very good question actually. I will show you something. Uh, I will show you something. Okay, it is a very good question actually. Uh, 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 mm. Okay, please give me. Please give me a moment. I will share you one detail. Okay, this will be a very good answer for your question. Actually, it is very good question. Give me a moment. Okay, now see this. For beginner, learning key because it's important. No, learning first is a very good question actually. Okay, so uh, you know, okay, I brought one quantity survey from KDU. KDU is Sri Lankan university to Dubai. Okay, so this is the work of that young quantity surveyor. Okay, he is 24 years old. Name Esha Nakalanka. You can search him in LinkedIn. Okay, he completed all these projects single-handedly. Okay, within 4 or 5 months. Okay, he still didn't receive his degree certificate. I brought him just after he finishing his university life. Okay, and this is his work. Okay, now you have got a proper answer for your question. Is the markup feature you mentioned as amendment feature of DS is the feature available to all now. Yes, yes, it will. We launched that feature in uh, 26th of July. Thank you for keeping us software webinar. You're welcome. Uh, yeah, I'm clear. Okay, guys, let's conclude today's session because I initially planned to conclude within 1 hour. Now it is 1.5 hours. Are there any exam levels? No, no. This is not a school. Okay, you will get the comprehensive training. After that, you have to create a small model. Okay, as your assignment. Okay, to practice, just practice. And yeah, I will guide. Okay, I'll provide you pre-recorded videos. Okay, I will give you the fullest support. I will give you mind maps. Okay, everything. Uh, you just need to focus and learn. That's all. Okay, guys. Thank you very much for your kind participation for today's session. I hope you guys learned a lot. Okay, I think you will do this course. Okay, today is the 24th of July. Okay, so you have time. Okay, I will start next lecture on 31st of July. Okay, so you have 1 week to make the payment. Okay, make the payment and register enlist for the course. Okay, yeah, uh, I expect more than 50 students. Okay, it will be a good group for me. Okay, then I can give the individual attention to my students. Okay, then I will make sure about their development. Uh, After learning this, okay, don't stop your BIM journey. Okay, learn Revit after this. Okay, learn Navisworks, Excel Manager, Synchro Pro. Okay, become a BIM manager or BIM implementer. You will have your dream salary. Okay, and you can move to any country if you are an expert in building information modeling, because Australia, New Zealand, UK, they already use BIM. Okay, they don't use 2D. Sometimes they use, okay, mostly they use BIM. Okay, so you can start your BIM journey from here. Thank you very much again. Okay, good night. We'll meet on next Wednesday. Bye bye. Have a wonderful week ahead.